across the street. Don't play with the matches. Always chew your food real good.
Come on.
Put your safer